Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Samsung Galaxy Tab Active4 Pro, and let me share with you how to change the wallpaper on this device. So let's start with opening the settings, and here in this left section we have to scroll down in order to find wallpaper and style. Let's tap on it. Now we can check the preview of the lock screen and the home screen, and under it we've got the option we're looking for. So let's simply tap on change wallpaper, and here we've got some pre-installed options from which we can choose. At the bottom we've got wallpaper services, and of course if you will have your Samsung account and the internet connection, you will be able to choose something from those options. And here we've got pre-installed ones like the solid colors, graphical. Of course, you can choose something from your own files, your own photos, and set it as a wallpaper or the featured ones. So let me find something in those options. All you have to do is to tap on the wallpaper to open the preview. Now you can, first of all, you have to decide where you want to set it, so as a lock screen, home screen, or both. Simply mark the options you'd like to use and tap on next. As you can see, I will apply it on both, and right now we can check the preview. We can decide whether we like it or not, and if we do, simply tap on done in the right upper corner. And now we can go back, and as you can see, the wallpaper has been applied successfully. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.